Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, does archiving Google Photos save space? So let me open Google Photos application, and firstly you can check my account storage, so I have 405 gigabytes. Now firstly, I want to set layout to months and also stack some photos. And let's move some photo to archive. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Then right here, move to archive. Done. Now let's check the space, and we still have 4.5. So items what move to archive section, they still in your Google account storage, Google Photo storage. You share Google Photos with Google Drive and Gmail, and you have 15 gigabytes for free. So archiving do not free up space. It only hides photos from the main photos feed, so from right here. If you want to actually save storage, you can or click at the profile icon, click free up space, and then click delete. Also, you can go to collections and clean the trash, but it will permanently remove photos from the trash and from your account and device. And also you can check locked folder and clean it, because with locked folders you totally hide your photos from the Google Photos. With archive you can find it using searcher in albums, but not with locked folder. And the last one, how you can free up your space. You can click at the profile icon, then go to Google Photos settings, backup, and right here we have backup quality. So you can set it to storage saver, and you will save some space when you will uploading new photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.